Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a clean with me using Tik Tok hacks. These are hacks that I've seen on TikTok that looks like that it's effective, but we're gonna find out today if it works or not. This is white vinegar. We're gonna be using some Fabulosa, and these are all Dollar Tree products except for this Dawn dish liquid. I think Dollar Tree do sell Dawn dish liquid, but I'm not sure. I think if they do, they'll sell it in a smaller size. But if you don't have Dawn dish liquid, you can use any kind of dish liquid, I'm sure. And then we have some baking soda, and then I have this microfiber duster mop pad that I'm going to use also. So we're going to figure out if these products work. And yeah, so let's get into it. Okay guys, so before we get into these TikTok hacks, I would like to give you guys some spiritual motivation from Matthew 11:28-30. Come to me all who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and humble in heart, and you will find rest for your souls, for my yoke is easy and my burden is light. Okay, so now we're going to use a half a cup of dish soap, 1/4 cup of white vinegar, and 1 and 1/2 cup of baking soda. Then you're going to stir it until it gets to a thick paste consistency. It's going to be foamy and pasty. Okay, so then you're going to spread the paste all throughout your oven, and then you're going to let this sit for about 4 to 6 hours. I let mine sit for about 4 hours because I cannot wait 6 hours. But whatever you choose to do, I'm sure it'll be fine. I don't know if this is even safe, because it clumps up whenever you wipe it. And then these little holes, you have a gas stove, these little holes right here to the fire is at. And if you something gets down there and you cut the fire on, the stove on, I mean if you cut your oven on, something might blow up or chemical reaction or something. So I don't know how, oh Lord, see, this is This is, I don't think this is a good idea. I don't. And it's a mess to clean up because it's so soapy. Okay guys, I feel like just using oven cleaner is enough. See this stuff here? It gets so cakey. You see? And clumpy. And it's a mess to clean up. So it's so soapy. You have to wipe and wipe and wipe. And I don't think that it may be safe if you have a gas oven, because these little lines right here is the fires underneath there. So if some of these things fall in the crack and you cut your oven on, I don't know what's gonna happen. You know what I'm saying? So it's just a lot of work, I feel like. But if this is all you have on hand and you don't have any money, you know, you're on a tight budget, you can't afford any oven cleaner, I say go for it. Maybe. I don't know. It's just gonna be a hassle getting this stuff cleaned up. So let me try to clean this up. Let me try. Okay guys, so if you're going to do this, what I did was I realized that I can clean underneath my stove. So underneath my stove there's like a tray that I can pull out, and I had to clean that area because, like I said, in those little hole areas right there in the oven, you know, the stuff was falling in between there. So when I had started my oven, it gave the house a weird smell because of the concoction that we mixed up with the vinegar and baking soda. So what you're going to do is just clean your tray underneath your oven if you're going to do this trick, and everything should be fine. This is an epic fail to me. I'm sorry. It looks clean, but I still see some spots on there that need to be cleaned better. As you can see, look. Look. And this is just a hassle to clean up. So I wouldn't recommend it if you wanted some, you know, clean your oven. Yeah, so I wouldn't recommend it because it's a lot of work. It gets a lot of suds. Whenever you put this on here, it foams up. It's hard to clean. And I really don't think it's safe for a gas stove. So I would give this a, I give it like a 2 out of 5. Okay guys, so this next trick, I tried to use this on my pan, and what I did was pour baking soda on it, some dish detergent on it with salt, and then I scrubbed it a little bit from what the TikTok video said. And then what I did was, like the TikTok video did, I put some paper towels on there, and then I poured vinegar and I let that sit for about 10 minutes. And of course it was a fail. I think it's because this pan is so old and this stuff has been stuck on here for so long. I think it didn't seeped into the pan, so it did not work. But it may work on like a freshly stained pan. Like if you have some stuff on there that you cannot get off, this probably will work, but it did not work for me. So I give this TikTok a 3 out of 5. Okay, so TikTok hack number 3, what you do is you form the same paste that you formed with the first TikTok with the vinegar, the baking soda, and the dish detergent, and then you spread it all over your sink, and you let that sit for 10 minutes. And what it's supposed to do is give your sink a very clean, shiny look. And I felt like this was also not the best trick. It works pretty good, but it did not get those water stains that I had on there. So if you're looking for water stains to be removed, it will not remove it, but it did clean my sink really well. So I would give this TikTok a 4 out of 5. Okay, TikTok hack number 4. What you do is you use vinegar and you pour it in a cup, and you can do this all over every faucet in your home. You take your handle on your faucet and then you let that soak in vinegar. And I let that soak for 10 minutes also, and it did clean it. Mine wasn't that dirty, so I didn't see a lot of dirt, but it did work and it cleaned it. So I would give this hack a 5 out of 5. Okay, so this next TikTok hack is the Fabulosa TikTok hack. So what you do is you take off your toilet seat at the top, and well, not toilet seat, but the thing at the top of the toilet, and what you do is you poke holes in Fabulosa and you put it in there, and whenever you flush your toilet, it's supposed to smell so good and cleans your toilet every time. And guys, when I say that this TikTok hack is the bomb, I love it. Like, it had my whole bathroom smelling so good, y'all. And so what I prefer you do is, instead of poking the holes in the bottle and putting the bottle inside of the toilet, I prefer you just pour the whole bottle in there and throw the plastic bottle away, and it works just as good. So, and as you can see, it does not show the color whenever I flush it because I got yellow, but it still worked, and I give it a 5 out of 5. And this last TikTok hack I like. You use a microfiber mop pad, and you can get that from the Dollar Tree, and they also have the stick that comes with it, but I forgot to purchase that. And what you do is you can clean your towels in your shower, you can clean your tub and all that with that. Instead of getting on your knees and hurting your back and all that, you can use that, and it'll be so much easier for you to clean your tub and your shower with. Also, if you do not have this, if you have an old cedar mop on hand, then you can use an old cedar mop and clean that with that too. And what you can do is you can wash your mop heads from the old cedar mop in the washing machine and use it again. Okay guys, well this concludes today's video, trying out TikTok cleaning hacks. This video was so fun to make, you guys. I enjoy doing this, trying these hacks out. I've been wanting to do this. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a comment down below. Hit that like button and let me know how you liked it. And make sure that you hit that subscribe button also if you have not subscribed already. And I hope you guys have an amazing and blessed day. Bye.